Is it too soon for another Ford F-150 video? Heck no. But this time, we're taking a much closer trip to home. So, decided to come down to one of two local Ford dealers that we have in town here to get some servicing done on that instrument cluster.
It's completely ridiculous.
And hopefully that tailgate. Hopefully that tailgate. Service entrance is over here. Yeah, so an 07 Ford being worked on at a place that sells the new stuff. Let's see how this turns out. And there she, ooh, it almost looks like they gave it a wash. Did they? No. I think they did. Huh. Looks good clean. Looks really, really good clean. Won't stay that way for long, but nevertheless, $1,200 later, I have a working gas gauge. And a working tailgate. But these people at Ford, and of course I can't find a sign around here to show you that I'm actually at Ford. They did a pretty good job. I just got this. If only it would be like forever clean. Well, off to the next adventure.